Welcome. In this video we'll learn about ORCID. What is an ORCID? Why researchers should use this? The full name of ORCID is Open Researcher and Contributor ID. Actually, ORCID is a digital identifier that distinguishes you from every other researcher contributor, even those who share your name. Sometimes it becomes difficult to identify of a researcher activities such as his research work and publications, especially when a number of researchers exist with the same name. So in that case, ORCID plays a very important role. Through integration of your professional information with the ORCID, for example, affiliations, research work, grants, publications, awards, and other versions of your name, if any, ensuring that you get recognition of for all your contributions. And nowadays, many publishers, for example, Elsevier, Taylor and Francis, Springer, and etc., ask to provide your ORCID ID while submitting a manuscript. Some journals also print your ORCID ID on the published paper. For example, in this article, ORCID ID is given. If you click at this symbol, then it will open the author profile. Same ID is given at the bottom of the paper. Now question is who can use ORCID? Anyone who involves in research, scholarship or innovation may register an ORCID ID for themselves as a free of cost. There is no charge. And the given ORCID ID can be used throughout the whole career. Even if your name changes or you migrate to a different organization, discipline or country. Alright, first we'll create an ORCID ID and then we'll try to integrate this ORCID ID to an account created on a journal website for submitting a manuscript. Just go to ORCID official website orcid.org, then sign in, register now. I have already an ORCID account, so I'll just use a different name just for demonstration. Email ID, password, visibility settings. I'll opt everyone. Everyone can see my ORCID profile. Just check the terms of use. Some profiles with the same name are already available in the ORCID data. Since you are creating your ORCID ID first time, that means none of the given IDs belong to you. So just press set, none of these are me. A verification message has been sent at the registered email address. So first we need to verify. This is the email which I have received. For verification, just click at verify your email address. Now verification has been done. We need to sign in. Just enter the ORCID ID, that means registered email ID and password. This is the ORCID ID which we have created. Name, and just below the name we can see ORCID ID. This ORCID ID we can provide to the persons who ask for it, and also we can post this on any social media or any other platform. We need to give details about employment, education and qualification, invited position and distinctions, membership and service, funding and works. For example, I want to add details about employment. So just click at add employer, organization, department, position. If you have URL, then you can provide at this place. Start date, end date. If you have more than one data, then again go to add employment and then provide the details. Similarly, you can provide other details. In the left side, you can give the details about country, keywords, websites and social links, other IDs, emails. I have already my ORCID ID, so I'll just open. This is my ORCID profile, name, ORCID ID, and other details, employment, education and qualifications, works. Here one can see all the publications related to me. Publications can be added easily. Just go to add works and then you can use any of the given links. Now we'll try to link our ORCID ID to the account created on a journal website for manuscript submission. For example, Fuel Journal. I have already created one account. Now for linking the ORCID ID, just go to change details. In the personal information, click at link to ORCID. Now enter the email ID which you have used for creating ORCID ID and then password. Authorize this. ORCID ID can be seen now. It has been linked. In some journals, for submitting manuscript, we can directly log in via ORCID ID. For example, this journal. Here either we can log in using registered email ID and password, or we can log in using ORCID ID. Similarly, this journal, Journal of Liposome Research. Here we can also log in with the ORCID ID. That's all. Thanks for watching.